Hi, 8th graders. A little bit of coloring for you. So this particular set of notes is going to have you look at scientific notation, and I want you to just sort of work yourself through these. If you're looking at this, you are welcome to color on anything on here. It also has a backside, so there's even more coloring. You can also write things. It's going to ask you to do things like write things in standard form. It's talking about powers of 10 and that sort of thing. There's little bits of notes off to the side. So you are simply just working yourself through these notes. There is the master key for these notes in Canvas right next to this document. So it says, Finished Notes Example, I believe is what it's called. So you can look at that as you do these, so you can just color this and make it look like your own, but also understand that every single thing that we're putting in here is also valid information that you need to lock away in your brain as you're doing it. So feel free to move yourself through this whole set of notes and look at the answer key as you're going through it to make sure that you're writing some of the things in the right place. You might also see that there's spaces here, and you might not remember what goes in those spaces, or you might not know what goes in some of these spaces, and that information is also in that answer key. So you'll see in the answer key there's red words for various parts or red numbers that are put into various situations or various sections of this. So please make sure that anything that's red on that document needs to be put on these notes. And then beyond that, however you want to color this is up to you. So you get to decide how much you want to color or if you want to color. Sound good? Sounds good. Thank you for watching and have fun with these notes. Bye guys.